A free community fridge in Southeast Austin is shutting down. This all comes after another location closed due to a lack of community support. These fridges allow people and businesses to drop off unneeded food so anyone can take what they need. According to ATX Free Fridge, the Ditmar Free Fridge will close and move to a new location by February 1st.
Organizers say the closure is partly because the current host can no longer support the fridge and partly because of a growing buildup of trash around the site. It's a problem that Nitza Cuevas, program director at Good Work Austin and a core organizer of the Free Fridges, says has been happening at other locations as well.
We've had a good run at this location. It's been about 5 years, I think. And it's been well taken care of by the community, but in the last probably like 6 months to a year, it's really become a dumping ground in the area. And we weren't getting enough community support to upkeep with the amount of trash building up here.
So for now, organizers plan to open 2 new fridges in other parts of the city. They're hoping to launch one in central Austin and another one downtown, replacing the fridge that recently closed on 2nd Street. And they also want to replace the Ditmar fridge. For more information on these free fridges around Austin, you can search for the story over at KXAN.com.